Google reviews automations just got a lot easier and a lot more effective with GoHighLevel. Now you can do video reviews, totally automated, and this is going to add massively to your credibility as a company. Automatically getting video reviews from your actual clients. This is gold dust. This is going to increase your reach, increase your credibility, and get you so far ahead of the competition. Let's go through how to make it. Stay to the end. I have some interesting tips and tricks on how you can incorporate it and get those Google reviews on autopilot. First step here is we need to make sure that we have it set up. So we're going to go to Labs, and in Labs at the agency level, click on Sub Account, scroll down, and Video Testimonials. And I already have this enabled for specific accounts. Make sure you activate the feature and you pick which sub account. Then hop into the sub account that you want to set this up on. And we're going to go here to Reputation. And we're going to go to Video Testimonials. And you're going to click Create Video Collector. You can edit this however you want, but I like to say that it's not going to take you long, and it's going to be a massive help to us. So it comes more or less preset, everything together. Just leave it at that. And essentially, when we send the link to people, this is what they're going to see. They're going to click on Let's Go, and we have the questions. Now, my tip here is put all the questions into one question, because what you'll find, if I have 3 questions, it's going to record as 3 separate videos. And that's more work for you. It's more work for your editor trying to get them together. We literally want to have one video, just one thing we can share up on our Google business profile that we can share onto our social media. So that way it's just less work for everyone. What I like to do here is I like to say, ask what was the situation beforehand, before working with us. What's it like working with us now? And what results have you gotten? And then what I'll do, it's not the most aesthetically pleasing. You'll see here the dots on the screen, but it's going to save you time and get all those questions and answers together. And obviously we're setting the transformation. So you can see here the questions, get them to answer all 3. Problem, what was it like beforehand? What was it like working with us? What transformation did they experience? Then here, what I like to include is we need your contact info because we have a surprise for you. And then here, the thank you page. So this is what I was saying about using this thank you page to your benefit. Somebody has clicked on your link, they've followed all the steps, they've uploaded video feedback of themselves. We want to take advantage of it. So what I say here on the thank you page is, thank you so much for taking the time to leave your feedback. Thank you for taking the time to answer and leave your feedback. As a way of showing our appreciation, we are giving you a £20 discount off next month. Feel free to leave us another review on Google Maps, and we're happy to double the discount. Just our way of saying thank you. I'm just going to put here Google link, and we know that's going to be your own personalized link that we send them, and then put whatever email address you want here. Another thing we could do is you can make it even more personalized if you know the clients themselves, to try and promote them and encourage them to leave you a review. So they all know me as Danny, and what I can do then is I can upload here my own picture. But for the purposes of this video, you understand perfectly how it works. But from my experience, it's better if you can make it as personal as possible. You're leaving a review for Danny. Next step is we want to create a link for our reviews, for our video reviews. If I go back into Video Testimonials, click here and copy link. What you'll find is this link is very long. So what I do is I go into tiny URL. I'm going to shorten the link. Copy, come back in here, and we're going to go into settings. I'm going to go to the review link, set up your custom review link, type it in here, and save. And now, in this example, what I want to do is I want to send everyone, all of our clients, this link. You can set up automations whereby when somebody signs up after 7 days, after 14 days, you automatically send them the link. But for the purposes of this video, we want to send this link to their SMS. So all I'll do then is go into SMS requests. I'm just going to leave this as custom. We're going to set SMS templates. Get this one here. Put your logo, video review, put in a custom URL. What I found is that sometimes when I put this as a custom variable, it doesn't work. So what I prefer to do here is put in again the tiny URL or URL, and we know that it looks nice and clean. They know it's coming from us. They trust us. And that way we know they're getting the correct link to give us that review. Because the last thing we need is if someone's there and then willing to give you the review, but the link doesn't work, you could be missing a quality video testimonial. And believe me, a video testimonial is worth its weight in gold. Would you be willing to take 30 seconds and leave us a quick review? We'll leave it at that. We're going to save. You can send it via email as well. You can go ahead and set up email requests, but we want to send it to SMS or we want to send it to WhatsApp because we know that way it's getting into their hands, they're seeing it, and there's a higher chance that they're going to give us a review. So if you want to set up in WhatsApp, you need to, I don't have WhatsApp set up on this account. You need to make it as a template. So what you would do if you're doing it on WhatsApp, go into WhatsApp here. I'm going to go into another account where I have WhatsApp. So what you would do is you would go into templates, create a new template, video review, utility, leave the headers out. Hey family, please, we'd really appreciate it if you could take time to leave us a review, etc., etc. And I'm putting in my link. And what you can do as well, just to make sure that everyone's receiving it, put a button down the bottom, visit website, have the URL there, and create. What's going to happen then? Okay, so now that's been submitted, it'll usually take Meta a day and a half, something like that, to accept this template. And what you can do, so for example, if I was going with WhatsApp and I wanted to send it to all my clients, or was going with SMS and I wanted to send it to all my clients, what I'm going to do is, we have the SMS template, we have the WhatsApp template made. How do we send that now to our clients? In your sub account, go to contacts. I like to just filter out by tag is, and then pick your client or your customers. And what I'll do then, so let's imagine I filtered by clients, I've selected them all. Here we have Joe Blogs just for this demo. And I have two options. I can go and I can click on send review requests. If I have it set up, the template, so for example, SMS request, send all at once, November, and hit send review request. Alternatively, if I want to use WhatsApp, I can do the same, send via WhatsApp. I don't have WhatsApp set up on this account, or you can click on the bulk WhatsApp button here, and you can find your template that you already preloaded in the system, this one here. And if we were to send it, we could confirm and send all in bulk. That way then goes directly to all your customers, all your clients, and we're getting video feedback. And so I've received the link, followed it through, clicked on it. What does it look like? Okay, I see the questions. What was your situation like? Perfect. So before working with Insulated Market, I was struggling with my sales, didn't have a system in place, onboarding was very smooth, etc., etc. Couldn't recommend them highly enough, improve my sales, confirm upload. And we see here, okay, perfect. And I also have the Google link here that I can follow, upload it, another 5-star review for you guys because I'm so happy with you. Fantastic. 2 birds, 1 stone. And then if we go back into our video testimonials, we'll see our client responses are here. So before working with Insulated Market, and there we have it. You can literally download this. You can download it. You can upload it directly to your Google Maps, to your videos. You can upload it onto your profile, transcribe it, have it up on your website. This is worth its weight in gold for you and your business. Hope this video is a help. Get started with getting Google reviews and Google reputation management. Let's go.